and easy during these tough times because we had our armed forces protecting us. My dear friends, my brothers and sisters, we want to dedicate this next song to all those brave men and women who've given their lives for India. क्यों पता है guys, उनका कोई धर्म नहीं है, उनका एक ही धर्म है, हिंदुस्तान. आज we want to dedicate one song as a prayer to all those guys and their families who've given their lives for India. This is